that I acted and that there was court action and there was a lot of turmoil in the boardroom. Perhaps I could go to this issue from a sequencing. This turmoil in the boardroom happened before. It happened before I was appointed. If my memory serves me right, it happened around March or April of 2019. I was appointed in August. of 2019. So I would want to believe that the two issues were not related.
So there were court battles in which you are also involved, injuncting you from going to the office, lifting the injunction.
Yes, I'm still progressing.
If my memory serves me right.
Yes, I'm still progressing. So I was appointed in August, on August 22nd, and by that time, already there was court action, because in April 2019, there was court action challenging the legitimacy of appointment of board of directors. I had not been appointed then. So that by August 22nd, when the then DG's term came to an end, there was no sitting board. So I was appointed on exception by the State Corporations Advisory Council and not the board, because there was no sitting board. And subsequent thereto, I proceeded.
But who announced your appointment? Wasn't it the minister?
Yes, I was appointed by SCAC, but the appointment was announced by the chair of the board, who could not convene a board meeting because the board was inquiried.
Minister Mucheru who announced your appointment?
No, it was announced by the sitting chair then, with the public sector board members who were present, because the board was not queried. But that indeed was during the tenure of CS Mucheru.
Yeah, but Chair, how was the former DG removed, if even though his tenure came to an end and he was complaining that he is being removed from office unceremoniously, if the board was not fully constituted? How was he exited from the corporation?
Mercy.
The term of the DG's term came to an end by operation of law, and that came to an end on 22nd of August 2019.
He went to court.
Yes, he did go to court, indicating that he required an additional term to carry on, but by the term of law, the term came to an end. So it is at that time I was appointed by SCAC.
But if he knew his term has come to an end, was he a madman to go to court?
And Chair, as she answers that, no, this is very important, Honorable Chair. It was at the heart of this issue, really. Do you remember sometime in November 2019, when you, together with some members of the board, called the media to the authorities' offices in an attempt at what you called clarifying a court decision regarding your appointment as acting DG of the authority? Okay. You then went ahead to publish the statement on the authority's website. In a clear attempt to deny your then boss Wangusi a chance to resume his office. Okay. What do you make of this, of all this? It puts you at the heart of the machinations to take control of the authority in a very unprocedural manner. And remember, thereafter you acted for 2 full years, and you are never confirmed as full substantive DG. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Through the chair, when a court order is issued, the Communications Authority of Kenya has always abided by the court order. If a court order had been issued for me to vacate office, I would have been the first to vacate the office. So when the litigation was mounted, with the former DG requesting to come back into the office, what we did was to clarify, based on legal guidance given on what the